losing my faith today. Falling off the edge today. I am just a man, not superhuman. I'm not superhuman. Someone save me from the hate. It's just another war. Just another family torn from my face today. Just a step from the edge. Just another day in the world we live. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. I've gotta fight today to live another day. Speaking my mind today. My voice will be heard today. I've gotta make a stand, but I am just a man. I'm not superhuman. My voice will be heard today. It's just another war. Just another family torn. My voice will be heard today. It's just another kill. The countdown begins to destroy us all. I need a hero to save me now. I need a hero. I need a hero to save my life. A hero will save me. I need a hero to save my life. A hero just in time. Save me just in time. Save me just in time. Who's gonna fight for what's right? Who's gonna help us survive? We're in the fight of our lives. We're not ready to die. Who's gonna fight for the weak? Who's gonna make them believe? I've got a hero. I've gotta fight for what's right. Today I'm speaking my mind. If it kills me tonight, we'll be ready to fight. A hero's not afraid to give his life. A hero's gonna save me just in time.